Hi, every man and his dog speaks about cryptocurrencies today. Everyone understands that it's an opportunity to make a fortune on this, but very few are ready to sit at the monitor around the clock all day looking at charts and analyze the market. Bitcoin costs $30,000, then $60,000, then $30,000 again. This instability seems endless. And if you buy at the peak of the price, then you can't do without a sedative and steal. Nerves. And this is a tool that earns a stable cryptocurrency, for example USDT, regardless of the direction of the Bitcoin price movement. Bitcoin goes up, you make money. Bitcoin goes down, you make money. Bitcoin stands still. But no, this has never happened before. The price of Bitcoin is constantly changing, and it's exactly what you need. Let me introduce you to the TethMaker trading system, which automatically earns on the difference in cryptocurrency rates and creates a profit in 3 simple steps. You open an account on the crypto exchange of your choice, connect the TethMaker trading system via API keys, you start earning. No fairy tales in trust management, only real auto trading on your exchange account via API keys. You will agree this is simple and, most importantly, safe, because crypto assets are always on your exchange account and are available for withdrawal at any time. Trading takes place on the spot market without leverage, so the risk of margin call is eliminated. The TethMaker trading system automatically tracks changes in cryptocurrency rates using professional analysis of levels, amplitudes, price dynamics, and processes more than 2.5 million scenarios in real time using AVA neural network. Seems not real? Activate the trading system for free and pay the gas fee commission only if you make a profit. For advice on connecting the TethMaker trading system, contact the person who showed you this video. And yes, ask him about the available package deals that reduce the cost of gas fee. TethMaker. Create your future right now.